Hello everyone. Welcome to my another video. In this video I will show you how to convert Google Play points to Google Play credits. Didn't know about Play points? Check my other videos. You can find a video's link form below video descriptions. However, before convert this Google Play points to credits. They are valid for 1 year, same as usual Play credits. Let me show you how to do that. Open the Google Play Store. Then click Google Play profile picture. Then you can see your Google Play points here. Open it. They can use for direct as coupons for some games and other Google Play apps. However, I promised to show you how to convert them to money. Select this use option. Then drag down to until see Google Play credit icon. Before get the Google credits, let me show you my Google Play credit balance. For check Google Play credit balance, click Payments and Subscriptions. Then select Payment Methods. Now you can see Google Play credit balance. Okay. Let's go to the main topic again. In here, you can see how many Google Play credits available for your points. I am going to spend 500 points to get £5. Currencies depends on country. When converting points to money, they ask your Google Play password. Purchase complete. You can see my Google Play points gone. Just available only 5 points. And my Google Play credit balance increase. So this is the tutorial. Just comment me below. Does it worked for you? Or not? Thank you. See you again. Subscribe me to watch more videos.